I've set up a team. We'll start visiting all the estates across, not only Abuja, across Nigeria. We want to know who owns what. It will shock you that some of these estates have been abandoned for 20 years, 10 years. They just take it to a level and they abandon it. Nobody knows what is going on. And you know, what we have been able to gather is that most of these estates were funded by civil servants who have stolen money. So the moment they leave public service, the money is no longer coming. So they abandon the estate. So the developer is not looking for investors, to support them to complete the project. That's one of the things we have discovered in some of these abandoned estates.
I almost missed out Mr. Bello Eddie Richard, public account. We also have in our midst Mr. Oyetola Mui discussing with here today, Mr. Harry Emu, who is particularly from the president of the Nigerian Bar Association, not yet on seat. So with that, we'll take the keynote address first from Mr. Shobule.
We're going to fish you out and bust the racket.